Hello, Pine Road class of 2020. I miss you. All right, let's listen to Vance Joy's Riptide and analyze the form because This Land Is Your Land did not have a bridge. Riptide does. Okay, I had to relocate. Yes, I'm in front of a closet in a corner of a room. Let's try this. Okay, here is Vance Joy's Riptide. Pine Road class of 2020. And you guys voted for it. So I'm going to use this fancy thing, a piece of paper, to share with you the different parts. This song starts with an introduction, and then we hear A. Then our job is to figure out later on, was A a verse where the words change and it tells a story, or was it a chorus that has the title of the song and everybody can sing along with that part more easily? Here we go. Here's the introduction. Here's part A. I was scared into I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. Yeah, the magician's assistant in their dream. Oh. Now here comes the next part. Is it the same or different from what we just heard? Does it sound like bum bum ba da dum bum ba da dum da 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 da? Let's listen to this next part there. It was different. So I'm going to call it B. And it had the word Riptide in it. Isn't the title of this song Riptide by Vance Joy? Yeah. So it's probably the chorus, but we'll find out soon enough. All right, let's listen to the rest of part B, the chorus. We're at a new part. Bum bum ba da dum bum ba da dum. At the intro, we heard da 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 da. At part B, we heard lady running down to the riptide. So right now we're here. Ba da 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 da. Yep. It's not a new section. It's not C. It's A again. So let's listen to A again. Now, here we go. This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself. She's been living on the high shelf. All right. We heard A both times. I don't know if you noticed, but they had different words. So A is the verse. And the first A was verse 1, and the second A was verse 2. When I press play, that's going to be a brand new part that I'm going to start on this half because I'm running out of room. Let's see. Is it bum ba da 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 da, a verse again, part A verse, or is it B da 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 da? What is it? Here we go. So we're going to call B the chorus. because every time it comes back, it's always the same thing. So far in the song, we've had the introduction, part A, which is verse 1, part B, which is the chorus. Then we went to part A, verse 2. Now we're back down here with a part B, a chorus. And when I unpause it, let's find out what's next. I just wanna know if you're gonna stay. I just gotta know. What is this part? It's not A. Da, 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 da. It's not B. Da, 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 the Riptide. It's something totally new and different. We're gonna call it C. I just gotta know if you're gonna stay. Do you remember what we call that totally new and different part that comes in the second half of a song? Spice things up, usually just pops in that one time. It is referred to as the bridge. Boom, boom, boom. All right, here we go. Let's listen to the bridge. She's destined for the screen. Closest thing to Michelle Pfeiffer that you've ever seen. Oh, lady, running down to the good time, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Another chorus. I love you when you sing that song, and I got a lump in my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Another chorus. And then he kind of tagged at the end, I got a lump in my throat, 'cause you're going to sing the words wrong. I mean, you could call that an outro or a little tag at the ending where you add on a little something. All right. So this song had the introduction. Oh, I can't point to the right spot. It had introduction, verse, chorus, verse 2, chorus, then a bridge, then a chorus, then a chorus, then a chorus, and then the outro. And sometimes I like to use letters because it helps me organize just the way the musical parts sound, and then later I go back in to think, are the words changing? When every time part A comes back, oh, I'll call it the verse. Are the words changing every time part B comes back? No, it's always the same. It must be the chorus. So there is your analyzation of Vance Joy's Riptide, and nobody found me. Success. I got to teach my lesson without a little person, 3-year-old usually, jumping and grabbing me, freaking out. All right, lovelies. Monsieur. Ciao.